Hey guys, so I was gonna try to get this garlic braid done in the last bits of light here on this beautiful summer day, but then I stuck my hand in bird shit, so we're gonna be doing it inside. So you're gonna start with 3 cloves of garlic. The one in the center you want to be the biggest, and then tie them together with a jute rope. So those 2 on the sides you want to be a little bit smaller. And then just kind of get them together, tucked in, and tie your rope. So apologies for all the dirt on the table. This was not our first garlic braid, so here we are. So separate those strands into 3, much like you would a braid. And you're gonna put a nice thick piece or a bulb of garlic in the center, and then move a strand over like you're braiding. So that's gonna be your new center. And you are going to take then another one to the side, join it with the center, and then take your undermost strand and take it over, and that is going to be your new center. So now you're going to need another bulb to the side, and try to keep track of which strand goes in which section. Join it with your center strand, then take your undermost strand, fold it over, and it's going to become your new center. And this can be kind of tricky because this isn't hair, it's like juicy garlic stalks. So it can be a little tough, but as long as it's serving its purpose, you're doing great. So then move another thick strand to the center, pull your strand over, and you're just going to repeat this process all down, essentially until you can't anymore. Or at least that was my experience with these kind of fresh ones. I think it's a lot easier when they're more dry. Certainly ours last year were a lot more dried when we harvested them. So it was a little easier to make all those folds and tucks with the braid. But since these are very much still kicking, it was a little tougher. So I kind of ran out of room to keep braiding. But I got quite a few cloves on there, and they honestly look really nice at this particular size. So I will continue showing you this process of the garlic braid, and then I will show you what it looks like when I'm all done. So once you're nearing the end of your garlic or your ability to braid like you see here, you're going to go ahead and fold your strands into just a normal braid. So just like you would do hair, not adding any more garlic. And at the end, you can either use a twisty tie or you can use jute rope like I'm doing. I like jute rope because you can hang it more easily in my opinion. And then just finish off your braid and you're done. So these stems were pretty thick, so it was kind of tough to braid this. And they're still pretty
juicy.
Yeah. So not the best, but definitely functional for drying our garlic moving forward. So there you have it.
There you have it.
So here's the finished garlic braid hanging, imperfections and all. So hopefully this was a fun skill to learn or maybe review. I know I have to look it up every year because I forget between years. So we'll be enjoying this garlic for a full year, I hope. And we will see you guys soon. Bye.